Hello everyone, what's up? This is Atrika Vadari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we're gonna learn set comprehension. So it is same like list comprehension and dictionary comprehension. So here, suppose if I want to make a set in which the cubes of numbers 1 to 10 are there. So we just have to write S is equals to, here we will put curly brackets because sets are denoted by curly brackets. Okay, so here we will write I 3. Okay, or just write it like this, and then we will use for loop for I in range 1 comma 11. Okay, now we have to print S. So hope you are able to understand that what this code is doing. It will first loop, right? It will first loop, and this is the value that we want to insert, or you can say add, to our set. So the value is the cube of I, and what is I? It is the number ranging between 1 to 10. So see, as you can see, the cube of 1 is here, the cube of 2 is here, and it is the cube of 4. You can see it is the 4 of cube of 8, right? It's the cube of 10, right? So you can see, so why are the cubes like this? It should be in the order, right? So why it isn't in order? Because as I told you, sets are unordered collection of unit data. So as they are unordered, that's why there's no order there. So maybe if you run it again, you'll see, no, it's, yeah. So they're not changing the order right now. So but yeah, they are unordered collection. As you can see, they've already changed the order. Okay, so now if you have another list, okay, so as you can see here, I have got a list. This is the list, and now you want the data of this list to be in S1 set, right? So as you know that we cannot append, or you can say add dictionaries or list, tuples, sets inside the set, right? So we will write it something like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 in a single set. Okay, but we will do this using set comprehension. Okay, so first we will just write here I, and then we will use nested for loop. So if you remember, we used nested for loop in list comprehension as well. So it's same like that. So for J in L, and then for I in J, and that's it. Now if I print S1, see, it's working properly. So it's same like list comprehension. The only difference is that you denote it using curly brackets, but in list we denote it using square brackets, right? So right, hope it's clear to you. So see you soon. Thank you so much. But if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. And guys, if you want the source code of this video or of any other video, you can follow me on my blog. Okay, and not only the programs that I am making in the videos, but there are many more interesting programs there, such as snake game, and many more types of program are there. So you can just check out my blog, and I will give the link in the description box. So see you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you so much.